baby, right there. Oh, yeah. We about to have a ball with that one. Yes, yes. Okay. I can't wait. What's up, y'all? Y'all watching Lizzy's TV, and y'all getting ready to watch me down this colossal crab right here. Look at that. Look at that. We about to get started with this, and we gonna start. I got my supplies. I got my scissors, and then I got me some garlic butter, and I'm about to go for it. So let me see where we gonna start at. I guess we gonna start with this one right here. Ooh, can I even break him off? Lord, have mercy. Ooh, wait. Let's do it, y'all. The only thing about this situation, I gotta have scissors because I can't break this right. So I got to figure that out. Put the scissors in here, baby. Ooh, baby. Put them scissors in there, baby. Let's get it going. Ooh, I know. Y'all probably saying, what the hell? What the hell is she doing? She gonna get the meat the best way she can. Dropping it all over the place. Ooh, look at that. That looks so good. I'm about to tear that up. Now, if I say that ain't good, baby, that's good, baby. I'm good. Ooh-wee. We get some more of that. We gotta get some more of that. That's that colossal, y'all. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Ooh, baby. I can't even talk, y'all. I can't even talk. I can't even talk. I ain't talk. I got all of it out there. That going right there. You know what I really want to do? Really want to crack this boy down real. So the top up here is kind of loose. So what we gonna do is I'm gonna pull that joker. And I know that ain't the right way, but he's so dang on heavy to. I'm just gonna break him down, baby. Break him down. Pull this piece out the back. Ain't no meat in there, no. We gonna get to the meat. We gotta get to the meat, y'all. So we gonna put this down. I don't want that part. That ain't helping me. That ain't helping me. We get to the nitty gritty. Ooh. See, this is the time when you need a trash place. And unfortunately, I forgot that supply. Ooh, look at that baby right there. Okay, y'all, let me see where I want to start at. I know they got this little stuff in here. Some of this stuff I don't like. So let's get to the meat. Uh-oh. Ooh, I should have had a fork. I should have had a fork, y'all. Put some of this lemon juice on this one, huh? Oh yeah, y'all see I got some lemons too, you know? Some of y'all like some lemons in there. And then we gonna try to, man, his leg is covering up my butter. His leg covering up my butter. I need to get to my butter. So let's get to the butter. See, cause I got some butter. I just need to get to it. Need to get to the butter so I can get to it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so good. Ooh. Girl, look what they brought me. Ooh, they brought me a fork. Something I need, because I got to dig up in there. And do not know how I'm dig up in there. Look at that, y'all. What's up? Yeah. Too late. I take that. Yeah, I take that. Well, anyway, I like all that. That's pretty good. But I'm gonna finish that leg right now. I gotta finish that leg right there. Yeah. Got a little bit of meat. I gotta learn how to pull that apart right. That wasn't right, but anyway. This so dang on good. Y'all ain't see that. Y'all ain't see that. Y'all ain't see me drop that. See that? I'm telling you, I ain't see it. Y'all ain't see it. You ain't see that. I'm telling you. You just didn't see it. All right, that's that. Okay, I got some more up in here. Let me. Got that. I got it, y'all. Only a little bit. Only a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. All right. I lay it down number one. Oh, still got some more, y'all. I did that right that time. Look at that. I know y'all want some. I know y'all want some. Let's put it in here. Yes, yes. Get that juice going. Ooh, baby. Y'all talking about something good. So damn good. This is so good. This stuff's so dang good. Man, I done tried so many different crabs, but this colossal, this boy right here is really, really good. This is a really good crab. But that Dungeness, that's that jump right there. Well, that's one. We're gonna hit this other side real quick. Yeah. Ew, we don't eat that part. Now break it, y'all. See what I'm talking about? I gotta learn to break. Cause see, ain't no meat come out of that. I got to learn to break. I got to learn to break. Cause did nothing come out of that. So here we go. Ooh, when y'all see what I got up in here. Man. Look at that. Ooh, I know y'all want some of that. Man, I know. Ooh, look, I'm just looking at it myself like, hey. Ooh, you about to go down. Hey, you about to do it. But you know, if I had that break, that whole piece of meat would have been out there. I wouldn't have had to do all this. But anyway, it's all good because I still got the whole piece of meat. Ooh, boy, let's see. Let's get going on here. Let's get my dang on butter. Go another one down. Woo. Now, y'all make sure y'all go and subscribe to the channel, like some stuff. You know, y'all can leave a comment, say hi to me every now and then. That'd be cool. But that is so good. Man. I gotta get me some more of this. And it's got that butter sauce. I made that butter, put that garlic paste, not no garlic powder seasoning, not no minced garlic. I use that garlic paste. So it's the butter sauce. It's got a little bit of like a tiny little sweetness to it. And it's all right, pretty good. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna do this last one here. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking Uh-oh. 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 Okay. So you know you got some strength. Ooh. Did y'all see that? Y'all ain't seen that, y'all. You ain't see that. That sugar popped all the way across the dang road. But it's alright. It's alright. Here we go. Dipper sauce. Dipper. Dipper. Mmm. 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 Oh, so good. Woo! But y'all know, ain't no way in the world I'm gonna be able to eat all this right now. I just can't eat it all right now. Well, look like I clipped. There's some more in there. Ain't nothing in there. Just a little bit. I cleared it out, baby. Good. Y'all. Boys and girls, men and women. Uh-oh. Look at that. I done cleared that joker out. Clean as a whistle. Clean as a whistle. Okay. Mm. 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 I'm getting kind of full now. I ain't ate that much. I didn't even ate that much. Okay, I can't. That one is empty. That one is empty. That's empty, but wait, I thought I had something with something in there. Well, that one empty too. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, I was doing my thing right here. Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna stop right here. I'm a little full right now. Just make sure I ain't got no little leftovers. Oh, I got one. Here we go. Last one for the show. I don't know. I'm full, y'all, but you know what? I think I'm gonna keep on going for a minute. I'm gonna do one more down. I'm gonna stop in my face. See if I can find me one more to go, because this was the other one. It ain't had much in there, but I think I had pulled it all out. It is, but you know what? These fingers right here, these fingers gonna pull the rest of that out. That's what we're gonna do. All right. I think I'm gonna tackle this one. And then I'm sitting on back, because I don't want to be a big back right now. Ooh, I can't even break the damn thing. Hold on, let's do this, huh? Make that right there. You know, y'all can do that when y'all, you know, you can make that shell y'all trash plate if you want, because I always have a trash plate. So far, ooh, but he's still a big one, baby. Let's see if I can. Tell me I can't do it. Ooh, look at that clock. Oh, my. Oh, baby. Ooh, baby. I hear you. Oh, man, my breaking skills. Which one of y'all gonna teach me how to break these things so I always get to meet? Somebody got to. Who gonna do it? Trying to eat. He ain't no jokey yard in the wood. They put some power in it. Gotta have some strength. Had to lift some weights to cut these jokers open. Had to lift some weights, boy. We running around talking about Hercules. Okay, then. Ooh. I gotta find my fork, y'all. Find a fork down here somewhere. Ooh. Woo. Let's try that again. Ooh. I know. Some of this stuff. so good. It is so good. Make you want to dance. Or what's that old saying? Make you want to slap your mama. I ain't gonna do that. Woo. Y'all see all that juice that was coming out now? Woo. I don't even know if I can do this claw, man. We gotta break him on the other side too, honey. I say you gotta lift weights to open these jokers. Ooh, I got some meat. Just flying meat all over the place. I'm just making an old-fashioned mess. It is an old-fashioned mess, y'all. But, an old-fashioned mess. I got him open, though. Look at that. Get all that meat up in that claw, though. Y'all see that? Y'all don't know what y'all missing right now. But that's so good. But I'm dropping it all over the place. I don't want to drop. No! Stay back here. You going back home? Don't play with me. That's so good, y'all. Listen, I can't even cut the dang on thing. I'm tripping. You know what? I need some industrial scissors because these ain't cutting nothing. Especially when it comes to this cloth. Anyway, I'm going to use my fingers. Use my fingers. Y'all so good. Okay. What y'all think? Did I do it? Got another little piece now. It's really good, y'all. I sure wish I was here at the dinner table with me, though. The more the merrier. That's what I always heard. The more the merrier, baby. Whoa. You know what? This is what we're going to do, honey. We're going to take us a little bit of... I got to break that out, so cut my tongue. Yeah, suck it on right on down here. Why don't you? Well, I think that's it. I'm full now. My fingers long. Baby, Mr. Colossal, Mrs. Colossal. Let me see. Shit, I don't know why I'm looking at that. I can't tell anyway. You know I can't tell any damn way. I had to turn it up to y'all. Y'all had to tell me whether it's female or male. But I don't see that little stuff in there, so I guess it's a male. Ooh, but he real juicy though. I like that. Yes, I like that. So what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna end this right here. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give me a like, thumbs up, some fireballs, something. I don't know. Just do something. Just show me that you've been here to visit me. Okay? So I'll talk to y'all later. I'm gonna put this up and I'm gonna work on this later on. So y'all have a good day. Bye.